Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your Behance account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to behance.com. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Once you're on the main page, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and hover your mouse over it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Behance profile, including privacy, notifications, and account preferences. Once you're in the settings area, look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a navigation menu with different options. Find and click on Delete Account. This section is specifically designed for users who want to permanently remove their presence from Behance, so it's important to be certain before proceeding further. After clicking on Delete Account, you'll see a button that says, I want to delete my Behance account. Click on this button to begin the account deletion process. Behance wants to make sure you understand what you're about to do, so they've built in a few confirmation steps to prevent accidental deletions. Next, you'll need to confirm your decision by checking a checkbox. Look for the option that says, I agree with the terms and conditions and want to delete my account permanently. Go ahead and check this box. This step ensures you're aware that account deletion is permanent and cannot be undone, meaning all your projects, followers, and activity will be lost. Now, to verify your identity and confirm this is really you making this decision, you'll need to enter your Behance username in the field provided. Type it in carefully to make sure it matches exactly. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized deletion of accounts. Finally, click the Delete My Account button to complete the process. Once you click this, Behance will begin processing your account deletion request. Your account and all associated content will be permanently removed from the platform. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Behance account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.